Murphy bed, also known as a wall bed, has become increasingly popular and is a great way to turn any room in your home or apartment into a bedroom without giving up valuable space. Our hardware kits are made in North America using only top-quality parts and cutting-edge manufacturing practices. You can buy a ready-made Murphy bed, which can cost thousands of dollars, or you can easily build your own using an easy DIY Murphy bed hardware kit. The Easy DIY Murphy bed hardware kit comes with all the necessary hardware parts for you to conveniently build and assemble your own professional quality Murphy bed in easy steps. It's like adding an extra bedroom to your living space. Now you can build your own Murphy bed if you have a few basic woodworking skills and some basic woodworking tools. Our DIY hardware kits are available for all popular mattress sizes, ranging from single size, also known as twin size, double size, also known as full size, and the very popular queen size. There are two main styles of Murphy bed cabinet configurations that you can choose from. The vertical cabinet style is very popular and has the Murphy bed cabinet standing upright on the floor. The other type is known as the horizontal cabinet style. This style has the Murphy bed cabinet sitting sideways on the floor. This is an ideal choice when the ceiling clearance is low and putting a vertical mount wall bed can be an issue, such as in a basement. Both styles will be mounted to the wall from the top of the bed cabinet. When you want to build a do-it-yourself wall bed, you will need to purchase 3 to 4 sheets of 3/4 inch thick plywood or particle board, depending on the size of the bed you decide to build. Of course, you can also use solid wood. You will also need 1 or 2 sheets of 1/4 inch thick plywood for the mattress supports, and a few strips of solid wood for the bed frame. You can easily purchase these from your local hardware or any lumber store. Our kits feature a made-in-USA Easy Lift piston system that makes opening and closing your Murphy bed very easy, safe, and convenient. The advantage of the Easy Lift piston system is that the piston system is very easy to assemble, requires no maintenance or adjustments, and more importantly, they last for a very long time. Also get a pair of our newly designed premium square tube fold-up legs that easily and conveniently fold away when you're not using your Murphy bed. Why not start building your own Murphy bed today and discover the joys of having your own Murphy bed for your family and friends to enjoy for many years to come?